Legendary for its ability to sustain heavy damage in battle and bolstered by its nearly self-sufficient firepower, B-17s were most often used for daytime raids over Germany.
One of the most famous American bombers of World War II is the B-17 Flying Fortress. Boeing produced 12,731 of them at a price of about $240,000 apiece. That translates to about $3.3 million today. By the time of its first flight in 1935, it was the fastest heavy bomber ever built, and could reach a max speed of 287 miles per hour, and cruise at over 35,000 feet. This exposed their typical crew of 10 to extreme elements because pressurized cabins weren't used until the B-29 Stratofortress came around in 1944. At altitude, the temperatures could reach around 40 degrees below zero. For this reason, they were outfitted with the following gear. They had an oxygen mask, so they could breathe above 10,000 feet. Those, however, were prone to freezing as the mask filled with condensation, and it was the job of the co-pilot to check in with them every 15 minutes to make sure nobody passed out. That's a true story. To keep warm, they wore something called a blue bunny, which is pretty much a blanket with electrical wires running through it. Although it kept crews warm, any break in the wire could literally fry them. You just couldn't win. For protection, they were given flak vests, which only stopped flying debris that went through the fuselage.
But a BF-109's 20mm could cut right through them.
So, in essence, they were just unstylish 40-pound.